Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DC-GX9 digital camera and you need to do a factory reset back to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera where it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing, it's not connecting to something, stuff like that, can very often be fixed with this reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is, there's a ton of settings on here and you can try to change them all manually, but if you just want to get a fresh start, get everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box, this will do this. And on this camera, it's super simple to do. It's just a couple of button pushes here. All we need to do is come in and hit the menu set button over here to open the menu. And then once we do that, we're just going to select the setup wrench icon submenu. And from the setup wrench icon submenu, then we'll just select reset. It's really as simple as that, and you'll be able to reset everything back to the factory default settings and then set this camera up again as though it were a new camera just coming out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching.